Meaning of Edwin Landseer.
Edwin Landseer.
Edwin Landseer.
Edwin Landseer.
Edwin Landseer. Edwin Landseer, 1802–1873, was a renowned British artist known for his paintings of animals, particularly dogs and horses. He was also a prominent figure in the Victorian art world and received numerous honors and awards during his lifetime. His works are characterized by their realism and attention to detail, as well as their emotional and sentimental qualities. Today, Landseer's paintings are highly valued and sought after by collectors and art enthusiasts around the world.